Welcome everyone to our basic introduction to cloud computing. This will be a 1-hour crash course, of course, give or take a few minutes. Now, without any further ado, let's just get straight to it. With this lesson, we'll start the first section of our course where we'll talk about cloud computing in general. So in this lesson, we're going to define cloud computing, and then in the next lesson, we'll see the key characteristics of cloud computing. And then after that, in the next lesson, we'll see the deployment models in cloud computing, and then the basic service models in cloud computing. So as I said, in this lesson we are going to define cloud computing, what it is and what exactly it does. So according to Wikipedia, cloud computing is the on-demand availability of computer system resources, especially data storage and computing power, without direct active management by the user. Basically, cloud computing is a paradigm that enables on-demand network access to a shared pool of configurable computing resources like networks, servers, storage, applications, and services that can be rapidly provisioned and released with minimal management effort or service provider interaction. So, in simple terms, cloud computing allows users to access and use computing resources through the internet instead of relying on a computer's hard drive. Now, cloud computing is used in many cases. For example, it could be used in data storage and backup. So services like the Amazon Web Services S3 or the Google Cloud Storage allow organizations to store vast amounts of data while providing ease of accessibility and disaster recovery options. We can also name the web-based email services as a use case for cloud computing. So services like Gmail and Outlook are classic examples where users can access their mailboxes on any device without the need for dedicated email servers. Also, we can name cloud hosting and development tools where organizations use the infrastructure as a service and the platform as a service, which we will talk about. So, organization will use these models for hosting websites and development tools, reducing the overhead of maintaining physical hardware. Now, cloud computing could also be used for streaming media services. So platforms like Netflix and Spotify leverage cloud computing to stream content to users around the world. And it can also be used for big data analytics, as for example, companies use cloud-based analytics services to analyze large data sets to identify patterns, trends, and insights in a scalable and cost-effective manner. And it could also be used for the Internet of Things, or IoT, as cloud computing serves as the backbone for the connected devices in IoT, providing the necessary computing resources and analytics tools. And it could also be used for machine learning and artificial intelligence, as cloud platforms offer machine learning services and AI tools that enable developers to build intelligent applications without having to maintain dedicated infrastructure.